Hello, in front of me Ubisoft Heroes, Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to set graphics preset for mid-end PC. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game and go to video. Firstly, select Fullscreen Window and lower the resolution. Next, disable VSync and Anti-Aliasing. Set Max FPS Limit and set it to 30. And for quality preset, select medium. In case the game works fine, you can try increasing the resolution and selecting Borderless Window. Don't forget to accept and install. Effects are mostly preferential. Select what you like. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.